In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on TikTok in 2020. Welcome back. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to master media and marketing with short tutorials, smash subscribe and hit thumbs up for more videos just like it. So go ahead and open up TikTok. Make sure that you're logged in. Likely you will be, and you will be on the Home tab. From the Home tab, you're going to want to look all the way to the bottom right-hand corner where it says Me. That's your profile icon. Click on your profile icon. It'll open up a page that looks something like this. Now, from this page, you're going to want to go ahead and click on Edit Profile in the center of the page underneath your profile image. That'll bring you to a page that looks like this, where you can see your name and your username directly underneath it. If you'd like to change your name on TikTok, go ahead and just click on the name itself right to the right-hand side of where it says Name. That'll bring you to a page that looks like this, where you can scroll back and enter in any name that you would like, provided it is available. When you're done, just click Save at the top right-hand side. I'm happy with my name, so I'm just going to click Cancel to back out of it. If you'd like to learn how to change your username, and if you'd like to learn how to change your username within 30 days if you've already changed it, click on the video on the screen. Remember to smash subscribe, hit thumbs up, and thank you very much for watching. Take care.